My name's Sonny Tavake, and I've just come down on the skeleton, first time, never done no training, just rolled up, courage, committed. My cup already feels half full doing the skeleton because having been back in this sort of environment, you know, for a long, long time. In 1990, I was part of a contingent that went up for adventure training. There was about 13, and the weather turned on us, and then it was game on. We were fighting for our lives. Little did they realise that was going to be the last time that they were ever going to be alive. And that's part of the reason why I'm part of this Invictus experience, and especially here in Whistler, to represent them and just letting them know that this is for you guys.
And now to a very, very special run. This is Sonny Tavake of New Zealand, and this is the first time since 1990 that he has seen snow.
I quickly had a quick prayer actually. Prior to jumping on that sled, the silent moment for me was to those families, the ones that didn't make it, but also the ones that are alive, to them especially. And then we were into it.
The time is an irrelevance. It is of no consequence. What that gentleman has accomplished is sensational, and he's done it for those who are no longer with him, no longer with us.
Probably for me, through the journey since the incident when I was 22 up until today, and being part of this Invictus family, I've had a lot of layers. I've had to strip a lot of things away and obviously re-heal layer by layer to come to today. The skeleton being part of one of those layers. That was massive, because you always got it in the back of your mind. That incident is always in the back of my mind. I can remember it fresh like it was yesterday. But to come back in the environment of what it was all about, it's always good to have the courage to face it front on, just be part of the fun and enjoyment to what it really can give outside of thinking about that.
It is simple, it is clear. Sonny Tavake, you are Invictus.